In the video today, I want to show you how you can set an out of office reply. So when not you're on leave, taking an extended break, or heading on that business trip, an out of office reply helps to alert others that you're away from the office and also when to expect you back. So let's jump over to Outlook and I'll show you step by step. So here I'm using Outlook on the web. Now to set up an out of office reply, just click on the View tab, click on View Settings. Now just scroll down until you find the Automatic Replies button here. Now, if you're setting this up for the first time, just click on Turn on Automatic Replies. So in the next section, you can let Outlook know when you'll be away. This just means that during this time period, the out of office will apply. Now, if I just click on this link here, you notice that it has a start date and end date. Now, just hover over the calendar here. You can also set this up in advance if you like. So the start date, for an example, if I'm taking leave starting from Friday, I'll just click on the 21st here and select a date. Now over in the time section, you can actually also set the time for when this will apply. So I'm just going to set 5 o'clock on Friday is when I'll take leave. So with the end date, you can actually hover over the calendar again and select when you want the automatic replies to stop. So in this example, I've got annual leave from Friday until the following Friday. So let's just select on the following Friday. And again, I'm just going to put in the time here. Now below here, you notice there are a number of options here. You can actually block out your calendar during this period. What this means is that in your calendar, it will appear as out of office so that people looking at your calendar will know that you're actually away during this period. Another good option is to decline any meeting requests as it comes up in your diary during your break. And in this example, you can click on automatically decline any new invites during this period as well. And I'll just also block out my calendar during this period. And in the title here, I'll just type in annual leave for my reference. And also as people are looking at my calendar when they're setting up meeting invites, they will see the sections blocked out in purple just to reference that I'm out of the office. So in the text box here, you can manually type in your text. Alternatively, you can copy and paste it from an existing template. Now, I've created a number of templates for you to use and you can download these for free. And I'll put a link in the description below. So in this example, I've just got a number of templates here. So in the template, I'm just going to copy in the first one where I'm away from the office without email access. So I'll just copy this here and paste it into Outlook. Now, given that it's a template, you might just need to tweak it a little bit just to customize it. So in the template, I've got some useful information that you may want to include, so such as the date when you'll be away until, and also a brief description of the reason, as well as some information around a delegate or an alternative contact reference point as well, which gives the reader a bit more information as to who to contact while you're on leave. So let's just update this template now. Now, once you're happy with your message, just click Save to continue. Okay, so let's just jump into our calendar. And here you notice that the calendar is now blocked out in purple to reference that I'm out of the office. Now, anytime that you get an email during the date that you're on leave, it will automatically send an out of office reply, as well as any invites that come through, the system will automatically decline it for you. If you enjoyed this video, I'll also put a link to 2 other videos that you might want to check out. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you next time.